Hi guys, I'm Akash and today in this video we are going to make keychain from resin. So let's start. This is a acrylic strip and we are going to divide it into 4 equal parts. I use diamond file to make edges smooth. Take piece of wood as a base and cover it with plastic adhesive tape. And with the help of quick glue, stick all the 4 acrylic pieces on that wood base. Seal all the edges of the mold with glue gun so that resin should not come out. Place piece of wood inside the box so we can get a beautiful keychain. We need weighing machine for calculating resin weight, so we can divide it equally. Resin has 2 compounds, resin and hardener. We have to mix them with a ratio of 2:1. For example, if we add 30 grams of resin, so we have to add 15 grams of hardener. Mix resin properly up to 3 to 5 minutes. Then pour it into the mold. After pouring the resin, bubbles will come up. Use lighter flame for removing them. After 24 hours, resin has set. It's time to remove art from the mold. remove extra resin from the corners. Look how beautiful it is. We have to make surface rough and mark the guidelines and cut art in a shape. After cutting, use sanding paper for giving exact shape. Use diamond file for making edges and corners smooth. Use sanding paper from 100 grade to 3000 grade. With the help of mini grinder and cotton buffing wheel, clean it. With the help of mini grinder and cotton buffing wheel, use wax polishing compound. It will give the art mirror finish. Look how it shines. We have to drill hole for kitchen ring. Insert the ring inside the keychain and our keychain is ready to hold a key. I used that remaining resin of our art to make more keychains. I poured them into the rubber molds and look them how beautiful they come out. Please like, share and subscribe. Please leave your comments and feedback. Thank you for watching.